Water is life. Don't compromise on your drinking water supply. Use the best technology and the best material. Pipes and fittings for progressive sanitary and heating installations are made of polypropylene, the plastic material with unbeatable properties. No corrosion, no deposits, absolutely safe, simple processing. Pipes and fittings made of polypropylene. From Bänninger, Germany. Bänninger, the manufacturer with the wide range of products. PVC products for use in the industrial field. Polyethylene for industrial applications and for gas supply lines. And naturally PPR products for sanitary and heating installations. Bänninger is the manufacturer with the innovative ideas. For example, aluminium coating for ultimate strength. 45 degrees PE branching. Inserts in red brass for even more resistance to corrosion. Everything is manufactured in-house. That makes us fast and flexible. Bänninger, the manufacturer with efficient production technology. Polypropylene products are made by injection molding. Bänninger has mastered this technology. From small parts to large dimensions. Suitable pipes are extruded. This means that the material is formed continuously. Our factory makes use of high-performance extrusion lines. Being pressure and temperature controlled, the process guarantees the uniform structure of the workpiece. Precision tools form the basis of precision products. And safe manufacturing processes are the basis of a consistently high standard of quality. At Bänninger, we practice total quality management. Motivated and qualified staff implement this concept. It encompasses all the different divisions of the company. Material control, climate test, strength test, inspection of dimensions, documentation. Okay, ready for shipment. In fact, right away. What you order today will leave our factory by tomorrow at the latest. Bänninger is the partner for specialist suppliers and the skilled craftsmen for any modern installation using pipes and fittings made of polypropylene. And one more advantage. Installations using pipes and fittings made of PPR are extremely unproblematical. See how quickly and easily a joint is made. Clear advantages and simple processing are the benefits of polypropylene. All over the world, our export component is 70%. Joint ventures underscore the international acceptance of our range of services. Our products are approved in your country too. Pipes and fittings by Bänninger. A modern drinking water supply without compromises.